everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be showing you some projects that I have been working on and that I have finished. Over the past week, as I said before, something came up. I was not able to record videos, but I was able to work on some projects and I will be showing you what I've completed. So I have recently been in like a flower and fairy and like mystical creatures mood. So pretty much all the projects I have here have been crafted with flowers. Now, fake flowers, obviously, because definitely easier to work with and will last forever. So here we go. So the first thing I have to show is I recreated the pair of flower bunny ears that I got from ZenKaiCon. So I thought it'd be fun to create my own, to see, kind of what I come up with, and I may actually end up selling these. So this is the first pair that I have, and I'm really happy with how they look. There are simple flowers in the back, just so it's not so plain. And then here is the second pair. I really like these. I think they're very cute, and as I said before, I may end up selling these, so we'll see. Now, the next project that I have is this. I just glued on some fake butterfly wings. They're usually made out of feathers. You can find them at like the dollar store and the craft store. Onto a skeleton I got a long time ago, and then added some decorative flowers onto the side. And I am really happy with how this looks. I think this looks really cool. Now, the next thing that I have is this really pretty mask that I decorated with these pink and red flowers, and I actually eventually hope to create a fairy costume to match this mask, so like a pink and red fairy costume. Then the last thing I made was to go with an already existing fairy costume I made a while ago. I may try and show off, I don't know, maybe I'll do like a fairy themed video, something. I will try and show the costume at some point. We'll see, I'm not sure, but either way, I made this headband to go with it. The costume is blue and purple. It is a purple tank top with blue fairy wings. It's like those butterfly wings that like have the straps on them and then, attach it to your wrist or whatever. And then the skirt has purple and blue flowers on it. So I created this headband to go with it. And I tried it on all together and I absolutely love it. Like I said, I don't know what happened. I'm into the flowers and the fairies and the mythical things right now, but I am super happy with how this headband turned out. And there are some dragonflies on this side and mainly butterflies on this side, but I am super happy with it. Oh, excuse me again, looks like I need to take a nap. But those were the projects that I have been completing for right now. I am working on a couple other projects. I don't know if I will get the chance to record them, but if I don't record me making them, I will record what they look like, and they also have to do with the fairy and the mythical things, so oopsies. But that is what I'm really into right now, so I'm just gonna go with it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!